We are presenting to you the world's first 5-in-1 charging cable, an innovation the world has never seen before. We call it Hi5. One charging cable with 5 different connections to power almost any mobile device. Hi, I am Sascha. I'm the head of marketing here at Von Mehlen, and I will tell you the story of Hi5 and how we came up with this innovative idea and how we are planning to make it accessible to basically anyone in the world.
We could be shameless, famous, running cool, with a love that leaves us weightless. Ooh, drop it, gorgeous, wow.
Von Mehlen is a startup company based in Lüneburg. Northern Germany is where we're coming from and what makes us different. Julian, our CEO, has founded the company in 2015 along with fellow students. But let's talk about Hi5 in detail. We are all carrying our smartphones throughout the day. And we also like things that are small, handy and convenient. Technology needs to solve problems. The more problems solved, the better. We found that there are a lot of cable solutions, but not one that combines various interfaces. After starting the design process in May 2018 and crafting the first prototypes in late summer, we defined a strategy to enter the market in autumn of last year. Our design and engineer team took this challenge and came up with a solution that not only combines several types of adapters, but is also nicely designed, strong and always ready to use. Everything is engineered in Germany, so we make sure that the quality is at high level. For example, Hi5's body. It is made out of a combination of 12 different metals, making the body extremely robust. We are just about to send the production order of Hi5 to the manufacturing site. So Hi5 is coming anyway. With your help, we can bring Hi5 to basically any market in the world. Support us so that anyone can benefit from this amazing product and its many functions. With your backing, we are able to finance the final steps of production, marketing, sales and communications. Back Hi5 today and get great early bird rewards.
We could be shameless, famous, running cool, with a love that leaves us weightless. Ooh, drop it, gorgeous, wow. Ooh, you got me feeling stuck.
PowerGo, a brand new innovation that comes with the best charging technologies, offering an advanced charging experience. We've all been there. Our mobile device losing life just when you need it the most. Like when you want to take a photo when we travel, but our phone is out of battery. Or when you're rushing to a client meeting and working on the last-minute presentation modification. Your computer shows only 1% power remains. The next thing you will love is VOG Duo PowerGo. We have developed a leading-edge new power bank to make your life easier. For a fast charge of up to 18 watts, there's only PowerGo by VOG Duo. Synonymous with style and quality, VOG Duo has been a trusted name in creating innovative and stylish charging solutions. You can expect the same with PowerGo as it expertly balances portability and capacity. Incredibly powerful at 10,000 milliamps, it offers faster charging and recharging, up to 2 times a standard power bank. It features an integrated USB-C port so you can fast charge the latest devices. But it also has USB-A port for your older devices so they can get their juice too, even when there isn't an outlet in sight. That means getting from 0 to 100% in as little as 2 hours. Perfect for people with absolutely no time to waste. The conventional 5 to 10 watts is no longer enough in this tech-savvy world. For a fast charge of up to 18 watts, there's only PowerGo by VOG Duo. Synonymous with style and quality, VOG Duo has been a trusted name in creating innovative and stylish charging solutions. It has smart LED indicators. Single LED means working at full recharging speed, and 2 LEDs means its working output is at full speed via power delivery technology. It also has built-in safety features to ensure that you and your devices stay in tip-top shape. No overheating, overcharging, and excessive currents. PowerGo is compatible with iPhone X and most iPhone and Android series. Go to school, attending meetings, go hiking, and have it with you even while working in a coffee shop. PowerGo is your best companion. PowerGo is a perfect companion for all of your devices and equipments. Whether for professional work or relaxing travels, you can power anything, anywhere. And your devices needs to stay powered up at all times. Running out of power in the middle of your task is not an option. That's why we designed this stylish and powerful power bank. Whether you go for rose gold or black, the PowerGo is designed to be a stylish, durable, and safe accessory. Whichever one you choose, what you get is a powerful new technology that delivers a faster charge and a happier life. PowerGo is the last power solution you will ever need.
We are DocCase, and this is DocCase Adapter, the first ever power adapter-based USB-C dock and charger. Super portable, zero fuss. 3 months ago, we got successfully funded at our last project for MacBook Pro. It has earned us an army of DocCase fanatics who've asked us one question: will this work with the new MacBook Air? So we decided to develop a line of complete versions to match all the Mac notebooks. We creatively built a unit onto the laptop's existing power adapter, extending its USB-C connector, and attached metal cooling fins around with heat dissipation silica gel. DocCase Adapter turns a single Type-C port into 3 on MacBook 12-inch and MacBook Air 13-inch, 4 on MacBook Pro 13-inch, and 5 on MacBook Pro 15-inch. On top of this, QC version features a quick charge port. HD version features an HDMI port, and MC version is a multi-port charging only solution. You can safely swap out the plug on your Apple Power Adapter, and with 4K transmission, DocCase Adapter is on hand to boost your productivity. As a dock, it delivers super fast data transfer of up to 10 gigabytes per second. This lets you easily sync files in seconds. DocCase Adapter lets you recharge more devices in less time, and embrace an efficient, clutter-free workspace. Get DocCase Adapter with a pledge from $15. That's cheaper than any Apple adapter. So why not go with DocCase Adapter, the world's smartest charging and docking solution for all MacBook users?
Here at MIT, we've noticed a shifting trend in people's working behavior. More and more people are no longer working in their offices. They're working at coffee shops. They're working in co-working spaces. They're even working on trains, airplanes, anywhere they have an opportunity to stay productive.
I'm Steven.
I'm Jack, and we're Mobile Pixels. Mobile Pixels provides a secondary laptop monitor that gives laptop users the productivity desktop monitors provide for anywhere work takes them. A second laptop monitor can actually increase worker productivity by up to 50%. That's what Duo is doing. It gives them that extra productivity anywhere they go. Duo is ready to go right out of the box. You clip it to the back of your laptop via magnetic adhesives, you plug in a single USB cable, slide it out, adjust your viewing angle, and Duo is on. It works with all laptops. Duo has a presentation mode where if you flip the screen 180 degrees, you could easily screen share with someone who's sitting next to you or across from you. It's a great tool during conference. This low footprint makes it an ideal tool for all sorts of travel conditions.
Duo is sleek and doable. It only weighs 1.5 pounds and is energy efficient, so it won't drain your batteries.
And most importantly, we wanted to create a product that's affordable so it's accessible by everyone. We understand that people really want to maximize their productivity when they're working. So during their time off, they can enjoy the things they love doing. And that's what makes us excited. We want to partner with you so we could build something amazing together.